Citibank High Yield Savings Account Review. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the benefits of having a Citibank High Yield Savings Account. So basically, if you go to Citibank and you go to open an account, you're gonna have here the option to open this savings account. And if you scroll down, you can see, as you can see, everyday benefits. So basically, this is combined average monthly balance 0 to $330,000. Now, as you can see here, if we go to benefits, we can simply compare them. So as you can see here, monthly service fee, we have no fees. Then here, way to avoid monthly service fee for checking accounts. So in the month of account opening and for 3 months after account opening, or so as you can see, you're not gonna have any fees. So if you scroll down here, you can see that you're gonna get up to $2,000 per account per business day. So here, as you can see, these are the withdrawal limits for a simple account. And then here, as you can see, daily debit card pin based and signature purchase limits. For this one, you have $10,000. And basically here you can scroll down and see all the benefits. Now I really recommend you to choose the Citi Gold one because it's way better than the priority one, but you don't really need the private one. So I suggest to go with Citi Gold. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.